In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize data in Google Sheets. If you've got a long list of names, items, or categories, sorting them alphabetically is a simple way to make your sheet cleaner and easier to scan. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to choose, how to protect your headers, and what to double-check so everything stays aligned. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the column or the range of data you want to alphabetize. You can click the column letter at the top to select the whole column, or click and drag to highlight just the cells you care about. If your data has related information in neighboring columns, like names in one column and emails or dates in the next, make sure you select the entire block of rows, not just a single column, so those details stay together when the sort happens. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. This is where all the sorting options live. You'll see two relevant choices: Sort Range and Sort Sheet. Pick Sort Range if you only want to reorder the cells you highlighted and leave the rest of the sheet unchanged. Choose Sort Sheet if you want the entire sheet to be rearranged based on the column you're focusing on. If you're organizing a full table with multiple columns that need to stay linked, Sort Sheet is often the safest choice. If you're tidying a standalone list, Sort Range is perfect. If your selection includes a header row, like a row of labels at the top, check the box that says Data has header row in the dialog that appears. This tells Google Sheets to treat that first row as a label and keep it at the top, instead of shuffling it into the list. If you ever forget and the header moves, just undo and run the sort again with the box checked. Now choose how you want the data arranged. Select A, Z to sort alphabetically from A to Z, which also sorts numbers from smallest to largest. Select Z, A to reverse that order. Once you confirm, your data will be rearranged instantly. Finally, review the sorted data to make sure everything looks right. Scan a few entries at the top and bottom, and verify that related columns stayed aligned. If something seems off, undo, adjust your selection, and try again. That's all there is to it: quick, clean, and clearly organized.